Hi, I'm Microbial Luke, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a high school student from California, and on my YouTube channel I post videos about interesting organisms, medical advancements, and other interesting science topics. I will try to post a new video every 2 weeks, but if I don't, it's probably because I'm still researching or I'm trying to get an interview with an expert in the field. If you're interested in biology or chemistry or really any other science topic, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll try to make sure I post videos that are entertaining and videos that you can learn from. And as always, I am Microbially yours. I'm just kidding, we didn't get to the giveaway yet. Let me get that really quick. I'm back. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. For every video I make, I have to research, I have to film, I have to edit, and I have to post the video, so it really takes me a lot of time. And that's why I want to thank my subscribers with a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a 1,000 piece puzzle of the human muscular system, and all you have to do to enter is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, done, and you'll be entered. Thank you guys so much.